If you want us to, can we move more of this?
There, we're good.
Okay. Even though you can still see the bed. Oh,
good stretch. Guys, this is weird. It's been a while.
hello.
Hi. It's been a while. But little me's busy. But we're back with some videos. We got a couple that we're gonna do today, and one of them is Doorables.
Mickey edition.
Yeah, this is the Mickey edition.
Ooh.
I grabbed these a while ago, so there's probably a billion videos out somewhere about these. But yeah, so we're gonna open these up. And I'll probably just give them all to Brittany. But, yeah, I guess we'll just dig into it.
Yeah.
Or should we show them the Mickeys? So, the different Mickeys you can get are these right here. And then I think you
There's a mystery.
There's a mystery one. So, you're going to get these, and then you're going to get one mystery.
So, let's find out what our mystery is.
Me. Okay, so we got this little thingy here. This thingy.
It's like a vault door. We're opening the vault.
Your vault. It says Disney Mickey Years of Ears Special Edition Certificate. Oh, I shouldn't have looked at this. I spoiled it for myself.
Way to go.
Genius. It's fine. They don't know it. I do. She doesn't. It's all gonna be a surprise. All right, you do the first one, Brittany.
Okay.
So it's just like the regular Doorables. Can I see it?
Mm-hmm.
But it's like the doors and stuff, and you gotta open it. So you don't know which one you're gonna find first.
I'm gonna start at the bottom.
Ooh, rebel. She's gonna be a rebel, guys. I got it.
Is this musical Mickey? Conductor Mickey?
I'm gonna say it's the electrical parade.
Oh, is that what he is?
But I don't know. I can look at this now because
look at that focus.
It's band leader. That's the band leader Mickey.
Look at that focus.
Right. Oh, it blurred. That's great.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I got a new camera, so we're kind of like, wow,
shiny.
All right, I'm gonna be a rebel, and I'm gonna do the ear up here. We're gonna see who gets the mystery one first.
I think that's the mystery.
Is it?
I think so.
We'll find out. Ugh. Ugh. No, it's not.
What's that one?
Tiki Mickey.
So cute.
So here's our Mickey. Oh, it's so cool. we actually get it to work. It's amazing, guys.
I'm gonna do the middle one right here.
We're just rebels. We're just going everywhere.
I just want to see what's in the middle of everything. Oh, I think it's just classic Mickey. It's really cute.
It's Mouseketeer.
Mouseketeer.
He has an M on his ear?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mouseketeer.
Here's
Mouseketeer. So beautiful.
And
I'll do the other ears since we're just kind of in that pattern here. So I'll do this one up here. And it says pull. They all say pull.
yeah, they all say.
Oh, that one says open.
Yeah. I didn't open it. I pulled it.
Oh, I can't get it open. There we go. Oh, I got gold Mickey.
Oh.
I don't know why I'm handing you that.
Yeah, I don't want your garbage. You.
It's bronze Mickey.
Ooh.
So
Shiny.
here what we got. It's really hard to show them everything because my fingers are fat.
Here, you want me to do it? I have little fingers.
It's fine. Are you good? Little Mickey. There we go.
Right.
Who's gonna get the mystery one?
I'm gonna do this round door right here because it's weird. And I like weird. It doesn't pull very well. You have to like push and then pull.
Yeah, I don't get why it says pull.
Oh, good. I think I got Steamboat Mickey.
Yeah, that's pretty much what you got.
Ta-da!
Yep, Steamboat Willie Mickey.
Nice.
I'm gonna do the weird odd door.
The blue door.
It's got like a fancy handle. I got something starry Mickey. I don't know. It looks like a star. You can't look. You can see the bonus. It's Fantasia.
I love Fantasia.
There we go.
There you go.
It's Fantasia Mickey.
Right.
If you look at him, he's so cute. All right, I'm gonna give you that. Your turn. We got 2 doors.
I'm doing the blue door just to ruin your groove. This blue door right here.
Which one's gonna be the mystery one? We got 2 left. That's the question.
And you already know what the mystery is. I don't know.
I'm stupid to look at that thing. I forgot.
I can't open it. Oh, I got it.
Oh, no, you didn't get it.
It's really cute though.
It is Train Engineer Mickey.
Oh my god, he's adorable. Look at him. All right,
Okay.
last one.
Last door.
Which means you got the mystery thing.
I won. Alright.
I don't even know what it is.
Well, you'll find out now. Wait, this isn't the mystery Mickey.
Oh. Wait, did we miss one? Or did we just not get it?
Maybe we didn't get it.
Weird. Oh, maybe that's just like you get this many and maybe you will get the mystery.
It says bonus figurine. Why would it say that?
Is there one that...
We're confused.
Hold on. Make sure they're all empty. They're all empty.
Pretty sure they're all empty.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
Weird.
That's very strange.
Oh, it says, will you find a bonus figurine?
Oh. Well, then why would it list it here?
Because that's the bonus one, so you might find it.
Well, that was lame.
Yeah, it is.
Well, we didn't get no mystery figurine, but we got this one, which I didn't look what it was, but it's really cute.
Fascinating. Super cute.
Let me see which one that was. Technicolor.
Oh, I love Technicolor.
So, unfortunately, I get a bonus one, which that's kind of lame. I thought we would at least get a
Yeah.
bonus. So I don't know if that one's worth getting. Like the other ones, you get like surprises.
Yeah.
Like they don't. Like this one tells you what you're getting, and then
you don't even get it.
Yeah. Yeah. So I don't know if that would be worth it if you're looking for like that surprise, because it tells you what you're getting, and then you don't really get anything.
Yeah.
Or you could. So I'm kind of bummed about that. I don't like that one. I think the Mickeys are cute.
Yeah.
So if you want them, I guarantee get them. Just don't get every box.
If you enjoy Mickey, it's cute to get because there's different kinds, but only get one box because it's
Don't
not
try to-
worth multiple. Because there's only so many you can get.
Yeah. So, yeah, that one was kind of a bummer.
Yeah.
But it was fun to do, and we got Mickeys now.
Yeah.
But that is it for this video.
Mm-hmm.
And we will be doing more videos. We got another Doorable video we want to do and some other stuff. So
yeah.
you guys will see that in coming videos. I hope you guys had a good time. Make sure to follow her on TikTok and Instagram.
Yes.
Be linked below. We now have a TikTok, Instagram, and a Twitter. So I will link those below. So make sure to go check us out. We do a lot on TikTok. I try to post on Instagram photos of things we do, and post photos of like when we film or when we go somewhere or whatever. So I'll try to post those on Twitter and Instagram, and you can also contact us on both of those if you guys want to chat. Yeah. We may do live videos in the future and the works, so make sure to follow us on those.
So exciting.
Yeah. You guys can see them all. They'll all be linked below for you guys. So yeah, so that's it for now. I will see you guys later with another video.
Bye.